In this video, I'll show you some common mistakes that you should avoid when you add content to your channel. After you submit a channel for approval, if something's wrong or not properly configured, you'll get a list of errors. Roku always indicate what and where the error is, and so you know where to fix it. And Amazon just tell you to look in their term of services. But if a channel passes verification and goes to publishing in Roku, it should be good to go for Amazon too. So first, maybe you should try to publish your channel on Roku, and if everything checks out properly, you know that on Amazon, the only problem that you may have is related to copyright. Because with TV Boss Fire, you set up on the channel and you can publish it on 2 platforms. The most commonly encountered error is the video ID. Like I said before, the video ID must be unique, and we like to generate a lot of IDs and then use them one by one beforehand. A very easy way to compose this video ID would be, for example, the current date and a video number. This way you know that your video ID will be unique for every video inside your channel. Another common mistake is using special characters. For example, if you want to use the $sign in your title, in a Roku, it kind of probably would pass it, but on Amazon, for sure it won't. Also avoid using asterisks. Any special character might raise a flag and your video will fail. Another very often encountered mistake is the quality of the video itself. If your video is HD, then select HD. If your video is full HD, then select full HD. It makes sense, right? The same goes for your video format. This is very important. The video may pass the first approval process, but both networks, Roku and Amazon, use the AIs like I previously spoken about to continuously scan the channel for all kinds of signals. And if something's wrong, they may block your channel or even unpublish it. Please keep in mind that it's not the requirement yet for both platforms recommending a minimum of HD quality video, and HD stands for high definition video. It should have a size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Another mistake that we see very frequently is the thumbnail image. Use the appropriate size for the thumbnail image, 800 by 450 pixels, in PNG or JPEG format. If your video is longer than 15 minutes, Roku requires it to have a trick play file for that video. We use trick play files for all our videos because if they started requiring it for longer videos, they may require it sooner or later for shorter videos too. So it's best to be prepared ahead of time. Another mistake is the video itself, just because you need quality content. If your video is marked as HD video but it's extremely pixelated, for example, or if you have playback issues or the video doesn't play well, both platforms will take action and may take down that video, or in some cases, they may take down the entire channel. So make sure that your videos are playing in a browser. Just copy and paste the video link in the browser and you'll see if your video files are loading, and make sure that the video has a proper quality and is not pixelated and has good sound. Make sure that all your videos have the quality you select in your settings. If you experience videoing issues repeatedly, and if Roku and Amazon signal errors with your videos, you should consider changing your video hosting platform to avoid the unpublishing of your channel. These are the most common mistakes. See you in the next video.